Sneaker Care 101. My name is Justin, your sneaker care technician, and today we'll be learning how to clean the Nike Acronym Vapormax. We have the full Air Max unit here on the outsole, and on the upper we have this cool snowy peak pattern, which has hints of Nike Volt on the heel tab and on the tongue. The shoe is laceless, which gives it that modern look, and on the upper it is a fly knit material, which gets easily dirty and tricky to clean. So here's what you'll need to clean the Nike Acronym Vapormax: a bowl of water, our Jason Mark Premium Shoe Cleaner, a standard brush, our premium brush, and a microfiber towel. So the first thing you want to do when cleaning a fly knit shoe is to actually dry brush the uppers. We consider fly knit a premium material, so we'd want to use our premium brush, which does have a softer bristle, which won't damage the upper. So what I'm going to do right here is actually go over it. And as you can see, the shoe already looks cleaner just by dry brushing it. And the material's still intact. So now that we've finished dry brushing the uppers, we're going to move on to the midsoles. And I'm going to use the Jason Mark standard brush, which has stiffer bristles, which we use to clean standard material and midsoles. So now I'm going to take the standard brush, dip it in a bowl of water, get my premium solution, pour a liberal amount over the bristles, and dip it right back in the water. What this does is going to activate a foam, and so we're going to get the midsoles really soapy. So after you wipe it down, you just want to look back at the midsole to see if there's any leftover dirt in the grooves, and just go in between them and just kind of pick them all off. So now that we've finished with the midsole, we're going to move on to the upper. And once again, we are dealing with fly knit. So I want to emphasize that we're going to use the premium brush so we don't damage the shoe. So I'm going to get the premium brush and dip it in the bowl of water, pour the solution over the bristles, and dip it right back in. And then we just go at the shoe. Since we're using the premium brush, don't be scared to go pretty hard on the fly knit, because the brush is so soft that it won't really damage the shoe. And when cleaning too, don't be scared to put a liberal amount of water and solution on the shoe so we can get it nice and soapy. Be really soapy and gets it more clean on the top. Then we could do a little wipe down, see where we are with the shoe and how clean it is. If we still see some more dirt, we could go at it again. And then now we're just going to give that a little wipe down right here. So now that we're done cleaning the uppers and wiping it with the microfiber towel, we're going to try to get up all the dirt and get it as dry as we can. And after we're done with that, we're going to let it sit and just air dry. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more episodes of Sneaker Care 101 with Jason Mark.